Huh?
Do you know how I reached up there?
No?
Look, let me show. Even though that's the white bubble, I'm not gonna take it.
Good boy.
So number one,
Yes.
open it.
Yeah.
You think that would just? You think I was find it here? But look, second. I
Yep.
stand over here.
Yes.
I'll stand over there, and I will be a little bit taller. Then I'm gonna go and put my knee on the wet side, even though I don't care about it. Then I'm gonna go and lift my leg, put it over there. Then I can reach it from over there.
Oh my God.
But then
Very.
I can reach this.
So clever, Baba.
I thought I had to stand.
Dai.
Yeah.
Wait. At least so. Huh?
At least I still made it.
Oh, at least so.
Yeah. That's okay.
Oh.
Look what I found. Mommy, look what Didi did.
What?
Didi did.
What?
Mommy laughed. Did you hear her say, no?
Why?
She did not let me eat it.
Why my Baba?
No, not Papa, eat it.
No, Baba, eat it.
Shout it at Didi.
Hi. Baba, eat karo.
Okay, then it's actually easy.
It's the Baba. What did you do? Okay, now. Hello, Baba, please.
No! I'm not eating it.